Hello dear children. Today in this class we are going to start a new lesson number 7, actions and time, from your English 1 book. Take out page number 35. Now before explanation, you should know what is actions, what are actions and what is time. Now different actions done at different time we are going to discuss in this lesson. Actions are verb, right? We have learned in the previous chapter action words are verb. So the actions we may do now or we may do later, or what we have done yesterday, whether the action we have done yesterday, today or tomorrow, that describes time. Whether the action is continuing or whether the action you have completed. So we are going to discuss about the action and the time when the action has taken place. So in class 1 you will study about two types of timing that actions are taking place. That is action that happens every day. Every day mean roj. Actions that are happening now or that is happening now. Okay, so how will you identify in a sentence whether the action is happening every day or the action that is happening now? So here I have given you two small rules to identify both the timings. Number 1, we use the verbs like play, plays, help, helps, clean, cleans, cook, cooks. Alright, you see the verb here, play, and another one is plays. When do we use play and when do we use plays? We are going to discuss now. Help, helps, clean, cleans, cook, cooks. Likewise, there are many verbs. All the verbs cannot be written, like read, laugh, love, dance, sing. There are so many verbs. I have given you the example of only 4 verbs here, that is play, plays, help, helps, clean, cleans, cook, cooks. So where do we use s and where we should not use s will be discussed now. In number 2, I have given the heading play, plays. Instead of that, I would have given help, helps also. It is the same thing. Clean, cleans, cook, cooks, read, reads, eat, eats, sleep, sleeps, any verb. But why I have written only one? Because you have to understand in which sentence we have to use a verb without s. Play, play is without s, and another one is plays. Some verb have s in it and some verb do not have s in it. So where we will use the verb, that is where s is not used, and where we are going to use the verb where s is used. For example, you see, play is used if the noun is plural or if the pronoun is plural. For example, they is plural, so with they you will use the verb without s, they play. Understood? And in the second line you see plays, play, and we have s here. Plays is used if the noun is singular. For example, she plays. She is singular, and that's why we are using s with the verb plays. They is plural, that's why we are not using s with verb. Likewise, you can write they eat, they sleep, they run, they cook, they help. Understood? And the second one, you can write she eats, she sleeps, she drinks, she reads, like that. If the noun is singular, then you are going to use s with the verb, and if the noun is plural, you are not going to use s with the verb. Understood? Now exception, there is some exception. I and you both are singular. I and you is singular, but here we will use the verb without s. Remember, I and you, only I and you. She is singular, but we are using s with verb. But with I and you, you are not going to use s with verb. For example, I play, you play. If you write I plays, then your answer is not correct. And if you write you play, then also your answer is not correct. If you write you plays, then your answer is not correct. With I and you, they are singular, you are going to use verb without s. I play, I read, I eat, I cook, I clean. You play, you help, you clean, you cook, you read. Understood? With I and you, don't use s with the verb. And on the other side, that is on the right hand side, we have actions that is happening now. We use verbs plus ing form in the bracket. Play, play is verb and we are using ing. Then what happens? Playing. Again help and ing, it become helping. Cleaning and cooking. And number 2, is, am and are is used with the ing form of verb, that is playing, helping, cleaning and cooking. How? For example, I am. Don't say I is or I are. Okay? With I, you will always use am. If you say I is reading, I is playing, then your sentence is incorrect. I am, okay, I am play plus ing. Play is verb plus ing is equals to playing. She is. She is singular. So with she, he, it, you will use is. Don't use she are or she am. Okay. She is, play is verb plus ing is equals to playing. You are. With you, you cannot use is or am. Understood? You have to use you are. Play is verb plus ing. Wherever you will use the ing form of verb, that means playing, sleeping, cooking, cleaning, helping, if you are using all the ing form of verb, then you are going to use am, is and are. Am is only used with I. Don't forget that. Am is used only with I. You cannot write she am, he am, they am. Am is fixed with I every time. Understood? With you also, you have to use are. Okay? You cannot use you is. If you say you is, then it will be incorrect. With she, you will use is. Understood? If you are using verb plus ing, then you have to use am, is and are. अगर हम verb के साथ ing लगाएंगे तो am, is और are noun के बाद लगाना ज़रूरी है. Understood? Now let's move on to the exercise part. Take out page number 36, question number B. Look at some things that Jojo does every day. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. You may use the words from the help box. Brushes, eats, plays, sleeps. Now Jojo. Jojo is singular. With singular noun, what we are using? with singular noun we use the verb with s. So Jojo is singular, that's why we are using brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. Number 2, again Jojo. Jojo is singular, so eats. Don't write eat, E-A-T. It will be eats. Jojo is singular, and with the verb we are adding s, eats. Again Jojo plays with his friends. Jojo is singular, and with play we are adding s. Number 4, Jojo sleeps at 9 o'clock. If you miss s, then your whole answer will be incorrect. So don't do any mistake with the spelling. Don't make any mistakes. Brushes, eats, plays, sleeps. This s is very important. If you will not write s, if such type of question comes in the exam, then you are going to get 0 for writing only eat. It should be eats. Next, the number of the action word must watch the number of the naming words. It talks about, for example, Aisha plays cricket. Aisha is singular, plays. So with verb what we have? S. The girls. Girls is plural. So we are using the verb without s. The girls play. Likewise, we will do these two exercises. Question number C. Fill in the blanks to show the sounds these animals make. Number 1, the lion. Lion is singular, so we are using s with the verb R-O-A-R-S. The next one, the lions, is plural, so we are using the verb without s, R-O-A-R. Number 2, the duck. What is duck here? Singular. So what we are going to add with quack? S. Quacks. The duck quacks. Next one, the ducks quack. Ducks is plural, so in the verb you are not going to add s. Next page, page number 37. Number D. Tick the correct word to complete each sentence. One has been done for you. She. Number 1, she are or is 6 years old. She is singular, so we will use is. She is 6 years old. Number 2, I, is or am. I told you am is used only with I, so the correct answer is am. I am happy. Tick am. Number 3, they. They is plural, so we will use are. They are teachers. It is a new bag. We are standing. Is used with singular form and are is used with plural. Understood? Now turn the page. Page number 38. Question number E. Circle the correct words to show the actions that are happening right now. A boy is, now is there, so it will become verb plus ing. The boy is reading. If you write the boy is read, then answer is not correct. You have to write a boy reads or a boy is reading. If there is, then you will have to use verb plus ing. Read is verb and then ing. What happens? Reading. Number 2, a dog is. Is there, so playing will come. A dog is playing with a ball. A man is singing. A woman is eating. A girl is flying a kite. Wherever there is am or are with the main verb, that is read, play, sing, eat and fly, you are going to use ing form. If you use ing form, then read becomes reading, play becomes playing, sing becomes singing, eat will become eating, and fly will become flying. Question number F. Tick the correct action words to match the pictures. Now if the noun is plural, then the verb will be without s, and if the noun is singular, then the verb will be with s. So here we have 4 trees, 4 to 5 trees. That means this is plural in number. These are plural in number. So trees grow, G-R-O-W. Number 2, moon. Moon is singular. Moon shines. We have s with the verb, S-H-I-N-E-S. Number 3, 2 clocks. So it's plural. Clocks tick, T-I-C-K. Number 4, 2 dogs. Dogs bark, B-A-R-K. Number 5, bells. 2 bells are there. So with plural, we don't have s in the verb. Bells ring. Ball bounces. Single ball is there. So s with the verb, that is bounces. Page number 39. Describe the pictures using the correct form of the action words in brackets. One has been done for you. Tia is. If there is is, then with the verb ing form will come. Jumping. Jimmy is sleeping in his bed. Leela is washing her hands. Ali is wearing a helmet. Rashi is climbing a tree. Turn the page, page number 40. Correct the underlined words and rewrite the sentences. One has been done for you. The boys draws. Now this is incorrect. Boys plural. Again draws, we have s here. So draws is incorrect. And what is the correct one? The boys draw. With the noun we have s. So with the verb we will not use s. The girls sing. Answer is the girl sings. The children plays. The answer is the children play. You am sleeping. It will be you are sleeping. I is playing. It will be I am playing. He dance well. Answer will be he dances well. The cat sleep. The cat slips. Joe make sandwiches. Joe makes sandwiches. So write it neat and cleanly in your book, and please be careful with your spellings, and you have to see where you have to use the ing form and where you have to use s with the verb and where you do not have to use s. So you have to be very careful and open your eyes and write properly. Understood? If you make a mistake with s and ing form, then in the exam also you are going to do the same thing, and then you'll get 0 marks for that. So be careful with the spellings. Thank you.